let's spring into this next cool tool. Hi, welcome to another one of my cool tool videos. For this one, I'm going to be talking about this set. So these just look like regular metal springs, but they are actually tubing benders for different diameters. And so they're matched to different sizes of tubing. And if you've ever tried to bend tubing and you just went for it and just grabbed it and tried to bend it, you might realize that it tends to kink and it doesn't bend the same way that solid wire does. And so just having these tools, and you can, maybe not all hardware stores would have them, but you can certainly find them online. And what you want to do is you find the right sized coil bender for the right size tubing that you need to bend. And you want to make sure that your tubing is annealed or dead soft. And if you can just kind of zoom in here, you can see that this is straight. And then what I'm going to do is I just want to bend the end, and you can get more precise with it if you need to. But usually I do the rough bending first, and then I'll saw it down to the right length that I need and everything. So you just have the coil all the way around the tubing that you need to bend, and you can just evenly apply pressure to it. And you can then slide the coil back off. And you can see that you get like a nice bend in there without collapsing the tubing. It is going to make the tubing go slightly oval. It's not going to be a perfect cross section of a circle all the way through, but it will bend it, and you'll still be able to have space in that tube if you need it for the particular piece. And it's just a great way of doing it without getting like a rough kink or collapsing the tubing there when you bend it. So again, depending on the kind of work that you're doing, this is another one of those great tools that can get you out of a jam and help you fabricate tubing in a way that you might not realize was possible. So pick yourself up another set of these cool tools. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can hear from me when I post future videos. Thanks for stopping by.